Hello, future educators. Got a question for you. You ever had a problem trying to set up a lesson plan or trying to make a test or with a study guide for students, but you don't really know where to start and you don't know how to do it and you can't really set it up so that it looks nicely? Well, I got your answer. It's called Inspiration. This program is amazing. As you look here, you can see that we have a diagram that I set up here using World War II. I got graphics all over the place, I got captions going, I got notes coming out of everything. And this is amazing for how you can set up a program for students so they can see it and use it. Now, let's say that I wanted to add another warship in here. Okay? I just come over to this box right here. It's called the symbols box. Say I type in Navy. Hit enter. Look, I get all these other naval ships coming up. And then let's say that I wanted to create another piece off of here, off of the main theme here. I'm just going to click right there. You can see there's a little cross that comes up. I'll click on this warship right here. It inserts it automatically. It's an amazing program right here. I can make this bigger or smaller. I can add captions into it. World War in there. Alright, and then another great tool. If I click on this here, you got these 4 square boxes in the corners there that you can make it bigger and smaller. And then you also have these ones on the sides there. I'll click this one. I come over here to communism. It lights up green. Click on that. There's a line that connects them both. It's great. And then I can click in here. Oh, click inside that, and there's a text box where I can link them. So, put Navy, we have communism there. We'll connect them with U-boats or something like that. Alright? So that's great. Another piece that is amazing with this is, let's say that I started off new here. Put in a little picture there. I can come with this rapid fire tool right here. It creates a little red lightning bolt there, and I can make it to where I'll just do U-boats as one. I'll hit enter. I can do ships and other things, and it just automatically sets it up perfectly for me right there. So that's great. Another way here is you can come up here to this tool right here. And this way, you can just click right here, and it automatically extends off there and creates it for you. So you're linking things together very easily, very nicely. Another great tool about Inspiration is this outline tool. Now, as you see right here, well, let me show you this piece first. Right here, you have the 3 little, looks like mountains right there to me. You can make your thing smaller overall. You can go bigger, zoom in on it. Or, my favorite is this third one, and that fits into the screen for you. So everything is centered on the screen, fit perfectly to your screen size. Great piece. Now back up here to this outline tool. This is great because you see I have it in diagram form right here. I click on this piece here, it turns it into outline form for me automatically. It's great. This program is interlaced with each other perfectly to where I can create a diagram for the students who need to visualize things, and at the same time set it up to where it's in a great order for the students who need to see it more in precise key points like that. Alright? I'm going to go back to the diagram form here. I prefer working in that. But you can do everything in the diagram form that you can do in the outline form, so that's great too. Now let's say that I wanted to hyperlink something. You can do it right here. I have already brought up, this is first-hand reports from the Navy during World War II. So I'm going to come up here, I'm just going to copy this address here. I'm going to come back to Inspiration. I'll right-click on this Navy boat that I inserted here. Edit hyperlink. Now you can hyperlink to a web page, email, another file that's on your computer, or even to another Inspiration document. So that's great right there. I'm just going to do to a web page right there, and I put it in, hit OK, and I've got me another hyperlink set up right there. It's a great program. Lastly, another thing that I wanted to talk about was this arrange button here. And this puts it in tree web or split tree form. Tree's nicest because it puts it in nice even order, and that's great because look at that now. You have it set up to a tree form for you there. So that's great. Inspiration has been a great program for me to use. I've really liked it. Liked working with it. It's a good program. I would recommend it to any future teachers to set up tests, study guides, or anything like that to their students. So the next time you're trying to set up a test, give Inspiration a shot.